Zarda, also known as sweet saffron rice, is a traditional Pakistani and Indian rice dish. It's flavored with aromatic spices, sweetened with sugar or jaggery, and garnished with nuts and dried fruits. Zarda is often served on special occasions and celebrations. Here's a simple recipe for making zarda. Ingredients: 1 cup basmati rice, 2 cups water, 1/4 teaspoon saffron threads, 1/4 cup warm milk, 1/4 cup ghee, clarified butter, or unsalted butter, 1/2 cup sugar, adjust to your sweetness preference, 1/4 cup mixed dried fruits, raisins, chopped apricots, chopped dates, 1/4 cup mixed nuts, sliced almonds, cashews, pistachios, 4-5 green cardamom pods, lightly crushed, 2-3 whole cloves, 1 small cinnamon stick, a pinch of edible orange food color, optional, a pinch of salt. Instructions: 1. Rinse the basmati rice in cold water until the water runs clear. 1. Soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes. 1. This step is optional but helps in achieving long, fluffy grains. 2. While the rice is soaking, crush the saffron threads and soak them in warm milk. 2. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes to release the saffron's vibrant color and flavor. 3. In a large pot, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. 3. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the boiling water. 3. Cook the rice until it's about 70% cooked. 3. The grains should still have a slight bite to them. 3. Drain the rice and set it aside. 4. In the same pot, heat the ghee or unsalted butter over medium heat. 5. Add the crushed cardamom pods, cloves, and cinnamon stick. 5. Sauté the spices for a minute until they release their aroma. 6. Stir in the soaked saffron milk and sugar. 6. Mix well until the sugar dissolves. 7. Optional. If you want a more vibrant color, dissolve a pinch of edible orange food color in a tablespoon of water and add it to the pot. 8. Add the partially cooked rice to the pot, along with a pinch of salt. 8. Gently mix everything together, ensuring the rice is evenly coated with the saffron and sugar mixture. 9. Lower the heat to the lowest setting, cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid, and let the zarda cook for about 15-20 minutes. 9. This slow cooking process allows the rice to absorb the flavors and become fully cooked. 10. While the zarda is cooking, prepare the garnish. 10. In a separate small pan, lightly toast the mixed nuts until they turn golden. 10. Remove the nuts from the pan and set them aside. 10. In the same pan, sauté the mixed dried fruits until they become slightly plump and caramelized. 11. Once the zarda is fully cooked and the rice is fluffy, fluff it gently with a fork and transfer it to a serving dish. 12. Garnish the zarda with the toasted nuts and sautéed dried fruits. Your zarda is now ready to be served. Enjoy this sweet and aromatic saffron rice as a delicious dessert or a delightful accompaniment to your main course.